Hey there. Ever feel like you and your partner are living separate lives under the same roof? Let's talk about how to deepen emotional intimacy in your relationship. First off, active listening. It's about truly hearing your partner without interrupting or judging. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and really listen. When your partner feels heard, they feel valued. Next, vulnerability. Share your fears, dreams, and deepest emotions openly. It builds trust and brings you closer. Remember, being vulnerable is a sign of strength, not weakness. Quality time is crucial. Engage in activities that bring joy to both of you. It's not just about being in the same room, but about creating shared experiences and lasting memories. Gratitude and appreciation go a long way. Simple words like, "thank you" or "I appreciate you" can significantly strengthen your bond. Show affection through small gestures. They speak volumes. And lastly, empathy. Put yourself in your partner's shoes. Understanding their feelings deepens your connection and minimizes conflict. Building emotional intimacy takes effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. When you prioritize it, your relationship not only survives but thrives. It becomes a haven of love, trust, and mutual growth. Invest in emotional intimacy daily, and watch your relationship flourish. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on building a stronger connection with your partner.